Hello, class. How are you? So, we had a great week last week. We learned a lot, and I thought I would present this video to go over some terms as it relates to pH balance. Now, I know that some of you in your color processes, in your highlighting, you determined or you saw that you had some damage that was assessed to the hair. So, in this video, we're going to talk about pH balance, what that means, and how it affects your hair coloring process and actually how to measure pH balance in your client's hair. And so I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And we're going to look at this and review. So, learning pH balance related to hair coloring, alkaline and acid. All right, so let's see. Let's see if we can change this. Okay, what is the pH scale? The pH scale measures the acidity or alkalinity of a substance. In the context of hair coloring, the pH levels of hair and hair color products are crucial to achieving desired hair results. Here's an overview of the difference between alkaline and acid levels in the context of hair coloring. Alkaline levels. First, alkaline levels definition. Alkaline is also known as basic or high pH, refers to substances with a pH level above 7 on the pH scale. The effects on hair. Alkaline substances can open the hair cuticle, making the hair more porous. This is essential for color penetration as it allows color molecules to enter the hair shaft. Hair type. Individuals with resistant or coarse hair may benefit from alkaline-based product colors as they help in lifting the cuticle and allowing better color absorption. Hair color type. Permanent hair color and lighteners often have an alkaline base to lift and deposit color effectively. These products contain ammonia or other alkaline agents to open the cuticle and penetrate the hair shaft. Now, what is the pH balance of hair? Hair has a natural pH of 3.67, which is in the acidic range of the pH scale. pH 3.67 represents the isoelectric point of hair, which means that at this pH, hair possesses an equal balance of charges on its surface, resulting in a net neutral charge. This surface charge increases with increasing pH. When hair experiences pHs higher than 3.67, such as pH 4 or more, hair will gain a net negative charge. The natural or isoelectric pH point of hair can change following hair treatments. For example, the isoelectric point hair becomes more acidic following some hair coloring treatments. The isoelectric point of hair is an essential determinant in hair care product formulation. discussed in more detail below. What is the pH of the scalp? The natural pH of the scalp is 5.5. This pH puts the pH of the scalp in a slightly acidic range. Hair care products with pH lower than 5.5 are known to cause scalp irritation. So be mindful of that. Now, how do we test pH levels? Now, there are pH testing strips or pH meters, and you can get this from places like Sally's or other beauty supplies. And basically, you want to select your client for their hair sample. You want to make sure that the hair is clean and conditioned, and also, you want to get your testing strip, wet that selected sample that you've chosen to test, and place the testing strip against the wet portion of the hair. And then it's going to tell you what that pH level of that hair. Now, in the case of a pH meter, you're going to do the same. Wet the hair sample with distilled water, gently blot excess water from the hair, insert the pH meter probe into the wet portion of the hair, and allow a few seconds for the meter to stabilize and provide the reading. Now, on a scale, a pH of 7 is considered neutral. Values below 7 indicate acidity, with lower values being more acidic. Values above 7 indicate alkalinity, with higher values being more alkaline. Now, hair pH, healthy hair is typically has a slightly acidic pH ranging from 4.5 to 5.5. Now, it can also vary among individuals due to factors like hair type, their environmental conditions, where they live, that type of thing, and their hair care routines. pH level of hair products can influence the overall pH of the hair. Regular use of alkaline products may affect the hair's natural pH balance. It's important to note while determining the pH of hair can provide insights into its current state. pH testing is not a routine practice in standard hair care, but understanding the pH of hair products used as well as maintaining a healthy hair routine or hair care routine is crucial for overall hair health. Now, again, what are the pH levels of unhealthy hair? Now, we want to know that, right? So that we can help to formulate our colors better. We know which color to use, alkaline color versus an acid color. Now, unhealthy hair may exhibit an altered pH level compared to healthy hair. Typically, healthy hair has a slightly acidic pH ranging from 4.5 to 5.5. When hair becomes unhealthy, several factors can contribute to changes in its pH. Here are some scenarios where the pH level of hair may be affected. Alkaline chemical treatments. Now, chemical treatments like hair color, perms, relaxers often have an alkaline pH to open the hair cuticle for the chemical process. After such treatments, the hair's pH may temporarily shift toward the alkaline side. Overuse of alkaline hair products. Regular use of alkaline hair care products such as harsh shampoos or styling products can contribute to higher pH. These products may strip the natural oils from the hair, leading to dryness and a more alkaline environment. Environmental factors. Exposure to environmental elements such as hard water or excessive sun exposure can impact the pH of the hair. Hard water, which contains minerals like calcium and magnesium, can leave deposits on the hair, affecting its pH. Damaged cuticle. Physical damage to the hair cuticle, such as from heat styling, mechanical stress, or chemical damage, can compromise the protective outer layer of the hair. This damage may influence the overall pH of the hair. Poor hair care practices like using harsh or inappropriate hair care products, neglecting regular conditioning, and excessive heat styling without proper protection can contribute to unhealthy hair and potentially alter its pH. It's important to note that measuring the pH of hair itself is not a common practice in routine hair care. Instead, understanding the factors that contribute to changes in the hair pH and adopting a healthy hair routine are crucial for maintaining overall hair health. So, if you suspect significant damage or changes in your hair, um, you need to you want to advise your client to uh, you want to consult them actually and do a pH level test. That's what you want to do. And you will be able to see that when the hair is frizzy, when it is just draws up, you know that there's a problem. And you need to apply a conditioner or a moisturizing shampoo, a conditioning shampoo, a reconstructor conditioner and shampoo. And that's going to bring those pH levels down and create a normal strand of hair, a healthy strand of hair. Now, here is the pH balance scale, and it's a measure of acidity and alkalinity. It ranges from 0 to 14. 7 is neutral. So as you can see, as it relates to hair, you have most hair care systems are here. Curl systems, meaning perms, are here. Color systems are here, especially for the ones that are lifting. Chemical colors and bleach are more alkaline, and they're lifting the hair. They're raising that pH level even higher, almost stretching it to its breaking point, or you know, to where it's fully alkaline. And so once you complete this service, this is one of the items that I was speaking about. When you take your client back to the shampoo bowl, you cannot rough up the hair while shampooing because the hair is in a very tender state at this point. It has changed from here 3.5 to 5.5, or 4.5 to 5.5, all the way to 8. And so you want to treat the hair very gently, especially those that have fine hair. You want to be extremely mindful of that. Do not rough up the hair after a hair coloring service or a chemical service, because that hair, it takes time to regulate that hair back to a healthy state. Now, above 5.5, the hair starts to open, and below 4.5, it starts to contract. For permanent hair color to work, we have to open the hair by taking it out of its ideal pH and take it above 8. To ensure the best possible condition of the hair, we have to return it to its ideal pH. Now, this is what hair looks like during that process. So last week, our hair started at 4.5 to 5.5, which is right here in this orange to yellow area. Now, pH 7 equals dry, unruly, dull hair. So 7 is over here. And as you can see, the cuticle layer the hair is porous right in here. It's starting to open up here. pH between 8 and 12, meaning colored. So all this between 8 and 12, the hair is colored, straightened, or bleached. This is what happens over here. And so once you've completed your service, especially those that use 40, 30 volume, you double process with the toner, the hair is like this. And so when you go to rinse that product out and you rough up that hair by shampooing, then the hair is going to frizz up because the cuticle layer is wide open and the hair is too far from being in that normal state. So the best thing to do is rinse it with warm, tepid water. You want to apply a conditioning shampoo that is going to fill in all of these spaces and bring that pH level back to a normal state. So let's see if we have any more. Okay, again, when we did our color yesterday, we took the hair to 11, possibly some of you to 12 or 13. And so you want to make sure that you use a conditioning product or a reconstructive conditioning shampoo system to bring those pH levels back down. Okay, so I hope you learned about pH and how it relates to color. Next week, we're going to have a little bit of discussion about this because I'm sure that there were a couple of you that had some problems after you rinsed out the hair where it was tangly or frizzy or it was dry. And so I want to explain that part to you. So with that, ladies, you all did overall a great job, outstanding. I'm super proud of all of you. And I want to, as for next week, we are going to review some other topics as it relates to hair coloring. But I did want to create this video so that you can have the opportunity to watch it again if you missed something, and this way you can hear it again. So you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you very soon in class.